Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make black chicken. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a thick bottomed pan over low flame. Now add 3 tablespoons of black pepper. Saute this for some time and add 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds. Saute this for a few seconds and add 3 tablespoons of black sesame seeds. Saute this for 1 minute and turn off the flame. Allow it to cool and transfer it into a blender. Now add 15 shallots, 10 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and a little salt. Grind this into a fine paste. Take 500 grams of chicken pieces in a mixing bowl and add the masala paste. Mix well and ensure that all the pieces are coated with the masala. Keep it aside for half an hour. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a skillet over medium flame. Add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Now spread the chicken pieces. Cover it with the lid and cook it for 15 minutes. Now turn it over and cook the other side also for 15 minutes. Now it's ready, take it out. This can be served as a starter or with rice. Please try it out and post your feedback.